So this is the LED Twinkle Star Christmas lights that I got on Amazon. I got the middle shade. I didn't even know they had colors, so I just got the middle one. This is how it came, all like pretty neat. I just kind of messed it up a little bit, so if you want to just keep it in the little ties that it came with, I suggest you keep it like that. As soon as you untie it, it gets all tangled, so that wasn't the best idea. I'm going to be using these command hooks that I got at the dollar store. Also some rubbing alcohol, and I pretty much started off with just 2 hooks because I wanted to see how far I needed to spread it out. And basically I just kept putting hooks wherever I needed it. This was sort of like an easy part because each of the lights has its own little row of lights, so that's basically kind of where I put the hooks. I didn't use all the hooks. I put some on the side because I had so many left over, so I just put it on the side of my bed just so that it can, stay against the wall. So it turned out pretty nice. It was very easy to get up. Yeah, it was very simple. So now I'm gonna move on to adding the garland that I got on Amazon as well. And it came in this pack, and I thought there would be more, but I guess this is all it was. It smelled so bad, so I suggest that you spray it with Febreze or Glade or something because it stinks. Another thing is it sheds all over the place, so just be very careful if you don't want to clean up all the mess. Now there's some spaces in between the lights that were empty, and I didn't have anywhere to put the garland on because if I would have put it on the actual lights, it would have just weighed it down. So I decided to put up some more hooks since I had leftover, and just to spread out the garland a little bit more so it looks more full.